there, family friends? If you're from across the world, Joey Jones is back on the road. But first and foremost, let me congratulate all the ones that passed, all the ones that attained their CDLs, all the ones that are driving by themselves with their mentors, home daily, dedicated, over the road. It's a blessing, man. I kept telling you, it can be done. But right now, I'm in the customer, and I want to show you how I back up Joey Jones way. You know, there's a lot of people, oh, I count one trailer and then I go. Yeah, but if you have plenty of distance, you know, coming out, you know, a lot of distance to travel out, then yes. But if it's tight, then try it. Try it when it's tight. So, Joey Jones way, I always count 3 containers. So right now, let me tell you something. Every time you go to a customer, never find the easiest. You can fit like 5 trailers over there. Don't go for the easiest. Go for the hardest. Challenge yourself. I like to challenge myself, and that's how you get good. That's how you get really, really good at it, because you're challenging yourself and you're putting yourself to the test and you're practicing over and over and over. But if you go for the easiest, you will never learn. And why I'm saying this, because there's gonna be a time and date where you're gonna have to back into a spot where that's the only spot and nobody's gonna help you, so you're gonna have to do it. So that's why I keep telling you, you should try the hardest. Always go for the hardest, never for the easiest, and you'll see that you're gonna get it. And then you're gonna become a professional truck driver and a professional backing, you know, doing your maneuvers. Okay, first, shoulder rest, get them out of your way, your arm rest, your elbow rest, whatever you want to call them, steering wheel forward, make sure it's clear. So then I like to again start as close as I can to these trailers. I did took my swivel out, so you wouldn't think I'm cheating. So then this is good. Yeah, this is good. So we're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. This is good enough, and then I'm gonna shoot that way. So now I like to count 1, 2, 3 containers. I'm like halfway there, but because of the distance and it's tight, you know. But yeah, always count 3. That's how I do it. So then turn all the way to 3 o'clock. Keep going all the way to 3 o'clock. Go as far as you can. Then straighten out your wheel, and then turn it to 12 o'clock. Turn it to 12 o'clock. A little bit forward. That's exactly what you want to see. You see that view? That's beautiful. See that view? That's exactly what you want to see. And then when you start closing your gap, your gap is what you see in your mirror. So then when you're looking at, you know, at your mirror, this is the gap. So then the gap is, you know, if you're gonna close the gap, this is what you see. So then if you close the gap, you're getting close to the container. If you open the gap, you're moving away from the container. Okay, so then you see how these trailers are very tight to each other. See, this is a standard size. This is about 1 foot. This is about 1 foot. So then the gap is when you close it and you open it. So let's do it. Again, I am not using my swivel. I'm just, you know, free-handed with my gloves. So that's it. These are rubber gloves. These are driving gloves. So let's do this. Take off my shades so I can see clearly. And then here we go. You're gonna close it a little. See the trailer moving? And then you're gonna open it. Open it, open it, open it. Close it, close it, close it, close it. Close it, close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. Good. Now let's pull a little bit forward. So we're gonna open the gap. That's good enough. Then you're gonna open the gap. Open the gap. Then you close it a little bit. Close it, close it, close it, close it. See the trailer? Can you see it? Open it, open it, open it. Open it, open it, open it. And you close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. And now straight back. Straight back. See, sometimes you have to pull up a little, not a lot. And don't oversteer. Don't oversteer. Now watch this. Turn off the engine. See the spacing? See the spacing? See, never oversteer. When you oversteer, your trailer follows the distance on where you're going. If you oversteer and you keep it on that distance, if you keep it on that direction, it's gonna keep going on that direction. So that's why I always cut it, open it, cut it, open it. You know, cause that's exactly what you wanna do. You wanna play with it. All right, my peoples? You know, so I'll keep you in my next video posted. And thanks for watching. Again, practice, practice, practice. You know, it's what makes it's a success. You know, it's I'm telling you, it can be done, and you're gonna love it. And once you do it, you're gonna be a good truck driver, man. Not only, you know, doing your maneuvers, but you know, you also gonna be driving anywhere. You know, I'll back in anywhere. You know, and it took me a long time to learn this. And how it took me, you know how I did it? By looking for the hardest spot. Always go for the hardest spot. Don't go for the easiest. Okay, my peoples? So I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. And God bless you all. Joey Jones loves ya. Later.